Exporters can now generate commercial invoices direct from the Flowlens CRM and MRP system. First, let's take a look at Settings and Company Details, where you can enter your EORI number and select the default internal contact which will be referenced on the commercial invoice. Save this, and then visit Settings Incoterms, which contains standard Incoterms which you can amend or archive. Next, visit an existing product. You'll now see a box to add weight, country of origin, and sale and purchase commodity codes. If you don't want to add this data to parts, it can be added to the commercial invoice on an ad hoc basis. Please note, you'll soon be able to update these in bulk using our data import tools. Now you're ready to create a commercial invoice. In the Flowlens CRM and MRP system, this is done via the Sales Orders Actions menu. Open the relevant sales order, and then click Actions. Generate commercial invoice. Complete the details in the pop-up window and save. You can add these later if you don't know them right now. Check that all of the details are correct. You can make changes to individual lines by clicking the pencil button. And you can add or change general details in the Action Edit menu item. You'll notice the blue total weight box has not updated. The system allows you to complete this value, including additional weight of packaging, before finalizing the commercial invoice. To complete the commercial invoice, click Actions and Complete. Update the total weight of the shipment, shipment date, and other details if required. You can sign on screen and this will be displayed in the output PDF, or leave blank and sign manually after printing. You can now download the completed commercial invoice PDF for inclusion with your export shipment paperwork. Please contact us if you have any questions at support@flowlens.com.